Have you ever pondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the job market? If you haven't, then you're in for a surprise. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has quietly but steadily become a part of our everyday lives. From the innocuous, voice-powered personal assistants in our smartphones and smart home devices to the complex algorithms that power business operations, AI is everywhere. Let's dive into some data to understand the magnitude of this phenomenon. According to labor market surveys, AI adoption rates have seen a meteoric rise in the last decade. In the year 2020, for instance, the percentage of businesses using AI almost doubled from the previous year. That's a rate of growth that's hard to ignore. But what does this mean for the job market? At a glance, it might seem like AI is taking over jobs, but that's a misconception. Yes, AI is changing the nature of work, but it's also creating new opportunities. AI brings benefits that are hard to overlook. Increased efficiency, for instance. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. And let's not forget precision. AI algorithms can crunch vast amounts of data with a level of accuracy that's hard to match. And speaking of data, AI's data analysis capabilities are a game changer. Businesses can now make informed decisions based on insights drawn from data, leading to better strategies, increased profits, and ultimately more jobs. But it's not just businesses that are benefiting. AI is also making inroads into the public sector, helping governments deliver services more effectively and efficiently. Whether it's predicting weather patterns to manage disasters or streamlining public transportation, AI is playing a crucial role. The rise of AI is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a tool that we've created to solve complex problems, make our lives easier, and yes, transform the job market. But as with any tool, it's not about the technology itself, but how we use it. AI is not a future phenomenon anymore. It's a present reality reshaping our job markets. But what does this mean for employment rates and job displacement, you may ask? Well, the introduction of artificial intelligence into the job market is a double-edged sword. On one side, it's true that AI has caused a decrease in demand for traditional manual labor jobs. Industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and finance have seen a significant shift in their workforce needs. However, on the flip side, there's been an increase in AI and tech-related job postings. Labor market surveys reveal a rise in demand for high-tech skills, signaling a significant shift in employment dynamics. This means that while some jobs are being phased out, new ones are cropping up in their place. These new jobs require a different skill set, one that includes proficiency in AI and other advanced technologies. So, while it might seem like AI is taking over, it's also creating new opportunities. Though AI might displace some jobs, it is also creating new ones requiring a different skill set. So, what skills will be in demand in a world dominated by AI? As artificial intelligence continues to reshape the job market, the skill requirements are evolving too. Technical skills are becoming increasingly significant. Coding, for instance, is no longer reserved for the tech-savvy. It's becoming a universal language, a necessary tool in the arsenal of the modern professional. Data analysis, too, is rising in importance. In an age where data is the new oil, being able to interpret and utilize it effectively is a valuable asset. But it's not just about technical prowess. Soft skills are equally vital. Critical thinking, the ability to dissect a problem and find innovative solutions, is highly prized. Adaptability in a world that's changing faster than ever is essential. Data from job postings support this narrative. A growing number of employers are seeking these skills, emphasizing their importance in the AI-dominated future. The rise of AI calls for a skills revolution where continuous learning becomes the norm. So, is AI a friend or foe to the job market? Now that's a question worth pondering. We've traveled through the labyrinth of labor market surveys, job postings, and AI adoption rates. We've seen the impact of artificial intelligence on job markets, the shifts in employment rates, and the evolution in skill requirements. Yes, AI is indeed displacing some jobs, but it's not the entire story. It's also paving the way for new opportunities, driving the demand for a new skill set. It's stirring a revolution, a skills revolution, if you will. The shift might seem daunting, but it's a change we can embrace. It's a call for us to evolve, to equip ourselves with the skills of the future. So let's not fear AI. Instead, let's understand it, harness it. Remember, AI, when understood and harnessed correctly, can be a powerful ally in carving our career paths in the evolving job market.